Welcome to Klaviyo Mastery 3.0. Klaviyo Mastery is a video course to teach you how to use Klaviyo, or if you know how to use Klaviyo, to level up your skills to the next level. This course is the latest Klaviyo course on the market. Since 2017, I recorded over 100 different videos, recorded 2 courses about Klaviyo, taught many students how to use it. Since then, Klaviyo released a bunch of new features and they even changed their interface. That's why we're releasing this new version of the course with the new features, new interface, and the most important, it will be completely free. We will publish it on YouTube, where you can consume it at your own speed. We'll be releasing 1 module per week. So please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for new modules every Thursday.